Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you some more new collections that have come in since I have been under the weather again. But this one is called Spring Market, and it's by Cartabella. We've waited for this one for a while, and I can see why we waited. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at this. And the paper is such a thick quality paper, and it's almost like it has a rough texture. Let's see if it says, yes, double-sided textured papers. So there's one side, there's the other. There's that one. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty. Look, think about a mini album. Oh my goodness, I love that. I wish I had a stamp that had those little boots on it. That would be cute. Look at that. I'm so ready for spring and all of this sickness to go away. This is the most I have been sick in a long time. And I can't take the flu shots because I have a reaction to them. And this year so far I've had the flu 3 times. So they're going to have to come up with something between now and next year so I can not get the flu so many times. This has about done me in this year. Isn't that pretty? I promise I will get back to some tutorials for you guys very, very soon. And all of you new people that have subscribed, thank you so much. I will get back to some tutorials as soon as I possibly can. Part of these I may just show and not talk a lot because I am trying to conserve my voice as much as possible. Because I do have those classes coming up, so we're just trying to make it through. That cute. There's that one. I love that. Like a storefront. And then, whoops, the sticker sheet. That truck is so pretty. And then of course you have the chipboard. And the 6x6. And then there's also some bling and other things that go along with that you can purchase as well. Okay, this is the Imagine That by Echo Park. This would be absolutely beautiful for a little girl's mini album. They all like the mermaid, so oh, how cute. I love that little doll. Seems like I had a little doll like that when I was little, like 120 years ago. I may get interrupted in just a second. FedEx is just pulled up, so I will just go through, and if he pops in the door, we'll just keep going. Pretty. I like that ombre effect on that. That's pretty. Oh, look at that. I love that. That again is like that paint pouring that everybody is doing right now. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Like I said, this would make a beautiful little girl's mini album. Or even layouts for little girls. A little girl's tea party. Isn't that pretty? There's the sticker sheet. And then you have the ephemera, the enamel dots, the 6x6, and of course the chipboard, and the chipboard has like gold foil on it. Maybe you can see it. There we go. So that is, again, is the Imagine That by Echo Park. I will put links to all of these directly below the video so that you can go over and check them out. This one is sent from Simple Stories, and it's called Bliss. This is really pretty. It's a good quality paper. I like the purples. That reminds me of spring, the purple and teal. And of course, I love the butterflies. You know, I never thought about purple and teal together, but that actually looks good, doesn't it? And that. Lots of nice cards, 3x4 cards if you want to use them for that. If you don't, you can use the back. You could color this in if you wanted to. And the 4x6 cards. This has been selling really, really good. I'm pretty sure we still have some left, but I don't know how long it will last after this. And then the sticker sheet. Gorgeous. Really pretty. Okay, that again was from Simple Stories, and it's called Bliss. This is Made for Plaid Happy by Becky Fleek, and this one is from Photoplay. It's so cute. You're just my type. I like that. I'm looking at these for the first time, as you are, so you have to forgive me if I forget that you're on camera and I just start staring at a paper. So there's 2 of each sheet, looks like. That little doggy is adorable. Oh my goodness. There's the back. Color your world happy. Grow in grace. Oh, I love that. The earth laughs in flowers. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Got to have some plaid in your life. Those crayons, and then on that side, that's pretty. And there's that one, and there is the back side. Beautiful flowers. And then there's the back side of that one. And then you get a sticker sheet. Gorgeous. I love the plaid. That again is from Photoplay, and it is Mad for Plaid Happy. So we do have it in the 6x6, and then we have the die cuts as well. Alright, most of you have seen this collection, but I wanted to show it to those of you who have not seen it. This has just come in a couple of weeks ago, I think. We've already sent out all the pre-orders, and then we have more of this left and more coming. So this is from Graphic 45. It's the new one called Little Women. And of course you get your normal little die cut things on the inside, little templates. And here's that one. That is really cute there. This is a pretty paper as well. I'm not crazy about some of Graphic 45's really, really bold, but I like this print. I love that blue. I can see a mini album made out of this. A very, very pretty one. Love this side of that one. That is pretty. And then the cards that you could cut out. And the cameos. And there's that. That's gorgeous right there. That's pretty. Let's see. There's that one, and then there's that side. That. Those are pretty. And that side. And then the sticker sheet. Now, we do have the tags and pockets, the 8x8, the chipboard, and the ephemera, if I'm not mistaken. We did still have it. Hopefully, it'll still be there when you click over. We have more coming. If anything is out, we have more on the way. That again was the Graphic 45 Little Women. This is the Prima Amelia Rose. This one is beautiful as well. I don't think I've shown this one. This one has been in for a couple of weeks now. I don't think I've shown it. If I have, then you can just click off of this. But this one's really pretty. This is the A4. I'm going to show you it. And of course, you know that the 12 by 12 and all of that is the same. It's just in a different scale. So it looks like you get 4 of each sheet. It is a gorgeous distressed paper. Antique looking. Love it. I love Prima anyway. So this is pretty. I have a tutorial coming up using that. These tickets. And then there's the back side. And just a watercolor splash effect. And there's the back side. Looks like a chalkboard. Another chalkboard effect. And then there's that one. And the back side. And it's just got little teeny squares. Okay, so that again is the Amelia Rose. We have the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8, the A4, the flowers, the ephemera, satin crystals. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? I always have to order extra of these, you know, because I have to have a few. Alright guys, that is the new collections that we have got in, I think, in the last couple of weeks since I have been under the weather. I will put direct links to all of these below. Go over and check them out. If you want some, order them quickly because usually when I put these videos up, they go very, very fast. We have more on the way. If something is sold out, just check back because we have more on the way of all of these collections. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your prayers while I have been sick. I really, really, really appreciate them. Love you guys so much. Bye-bye.